Hello viewers, my name is Nitin Omekar and I am the co-founder at Alligator Infosoft. Today we are going to talk about how an end-to-end ERP can help you automate your business processes and increase your top line and bottom line.
Hello, my name is Shobik Das. I head sales in Alligator Infosoft. Today we will be talking about one of our clients who was already using Tally ERP with different processes like sales, inventory, purchase, accounts. However, other different processes like CRM, service, HRMS, which are not mapped and integrated in the current system. This is very difficult for our client to manage all the different processes and work efficiently with a half-cooked ERP.
Let's see how an Odoo ERP, which is an end-to-end ERP solution, can help in this case. Like Shobik mentioned, customer was already using an ERP product for his sales. CRM was being managed with a traditional Excel sheet methodology. The problem with this approach is that the data flow between the two systems is inconsistent. There is no transparency between sales and CRM. It is a time-consuming process and person-dependent process. Let's see how Odoo ERP helped in this case. After we implemented our ERP solution, the two systems, sales and CRM, were flawlessly integrated. The entire process from lead generation to sale conversion was automated and client was able to see 25% growth in their top line. Hence, it is important when you choose an ERP for your business, all your business processes should be mapped into one ERP.
The challenges faced in a complex user interfaces, navigation from one page to another, unstructured data, primary and secondary buttons, a lot of data in a single page, and most important thing, the training. Training for the new users becomes critical when you use a complex user interface.
This particular implementation had 70 plus active users, and the challenge was to ensure all 70 users are onboarded and trained to use the system to its maximum potential. Thanks to the user-friendly interface of Odoo ERP, we were able to train all 70 users in less than 1 week, and all the new employees getting added to client are being trained by clients themselves. The UI for Odoo is as easy as browsing the web, and hence it is important to give preference to UI while selecting an ERP.
Another key element of selecting the right ERP is selecting the right implementation partner. While we were discussing with our customer, we realized that it was difficult for our customer to explain their complex processes with their partners. It is evident that the domain expertise and process knowledge plays a vital role in the ERP implementation.
When clients approached us with their requirements, we realized that their requirements are quite complex in nature. However, Odoo have standard business processes which we were able to map with their requirements. Along with implementation expertise, we bring in process expertise as well. And this helps our client optimize their business processes and run their business more efficiently.
These are the steps we follow in the sales process. Firstly, our experts will understand your whole business processes. Secondly, we will map all your requirements to our Odoo ERP. Thirdly, we will have a demo presentation of all your requirements. Fourth, post demonstration, refine the solutioning. Fifth, onboarding and partnering with client. Sixth, implementation and go live. Seventh, handholding and support.
Talk to our experts on the numbers given on your screen and understand how we can partner in your growth journey.